Struggling to perfect your Canva designs? Learn how to rotate like a pro. So, let's get started. Open your browser and go to Canva official website. Click Video and open a new video project. Go to Elements and search for Quadro or Quarter Circle Frame. And grab one and another until all four corners are covered with frames. You may want to adjust it, group them together, resize them, and move them until they are all in place. Next, let's add some magic to these frames. Go to Uploads and upload a photo you may want to put inside a frame. In my case, I have been uploaded some photos, so let's pick this and adjust its size and position it until it's look perfect. Just repeat the same steps with other images, and you may also want to rotate them a bit differently for 130 degrees for the other two images. Now, once done, go to Elements and choose a circle shape. Place it in the center of the page and change its color to white. You can resize it as needed. Then, once done, click Share at the top right and select the file as PNG. Then maximize the size and click Download. Once downloaded, re-upload it. Click the image and remove its background using the background remover tool at the top to clean things up. Next, go to Elements again and look for background. You may add background that is related to your design. So in my case, since these are Philippine tourist spot, I would like to use Philippine flag as background. Alright? Now, let's select for a background. Next, this is where the magic happens. Click the circle, resize it according to your preference, then place half of it at the top. Now click Animation and look for Rotate. Duplicate your pages and rotate the images slightly on each one to make it flow. And that's it. Your animation is ready to wow everyone. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.